Welcome to Back to School with Sandusky Library. Today we're going to show you how to use the Chilton database. We're going to start by going to our Sandusky Library website. The URL is right up here at the top, sanduskylib.org. You're going to hover over Research and Learn and click on Research Databases. Once you click on that, you're going to click on OWL, which is the Ohio Web Library. If you are accessing this from outside of the library building, it will at this point ask you for your library card number and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits, usually of your telephone number, unless you have decided to use something else. And then it will access this page, which you can then search these databases. We're going to go here to the Chilton Library. The Chilton Library is for fixing vehicles. You can fix cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. There are diagnostics, maintenance schedules, wiring diagrams, and step-by-step repair procedures. This is great if you are wanting to fix your own vehicle, or maybe this is something that you are learning how to do, and you want to access records. These books are available in the library, the Chilton Library books. They're very large, and we can request ones for you for certain cars, but this is also a great choice to use this database. So you're going to click on the Chilton Library. And this is what's going to come up. You can select your vehicle. There are also automotive service excellent test prep quizzes here. If that is something you are trying to accomplish to become a certified ASC technician, you can use these test preparation. They are multiple choice. You can take the test as many times as you choose to, and you can then use that to study for your test. But if you would like to use the Chilton Library, you're going to choose which vehicle you're trying to repair. So we're going to start by selecting a year. I'm going to pretend that I have a 2010 Honda, and you'll notice these are all the vehicle types that are in here. Honda, and I'm going to select a model. I have a CRV, and I'm going to select. It will then bring up information that you can then choose. So it has repair data, maintenance data, labor estimating, bulletins and recalls. So let's say I would like to do some repairs. You can click on any of these things that you want to repair, but I'd like to repair my brakes today. I can repair the brake operating system, the parking brake, or the vehicle stability assist system. My parking brake doesn't seem to be working, so I'm going to choose the parking brake. And now I can also choose all of these things when it comes to the parking brake. So the brake pedal position switch, I'm going to just pick the top one. And I'm going to choose the next choice. And I now have come into the instructions. This is applicable for a 2007 to 2011 Honda CRV. It gives the instructions step by step as to what you have to do. This right here, you'll notice you can click on this. It will show you also how to remove the driver's dashboard lower cover. So if there's an extra step in there, another place you can go to help you with that, it will direct you there. There are pictures included that hopefully will help as well, along with the instructions. And you just follow these instructions and you hopefully will be able to fix it. You can print the instructions as well. And then you'd have them in your hand if you don't have a computer where you're at. You can also listen to the instructions.
Sorry.
That did not work, but you can listen to the instructions. It is speech enabled. So obviously if that comes up, that's a database error. Can't do anything about that. You'll notice over here, we have gone through a lot of different clicks to get where we're at. We wanted to go back to the beginning, so we're going to click top, and that'll take you back to your Honda 2010 CRV and back to your original things. And if you want to switch over to something different, say steering, you can then switch over to steering. and then you can go to these things. So that's how the Chilton Library works for car repair, SUV repair, and other repairs as well, truck repair. If you have any questions or have any problems, you're always welcome to contact Sandusky Library at 419-625-3834. We'd be happy to try to talk you through it. You do have to have a library card number and a PIN to access this from outside of the library. Anyone can access it from inside the library without having that library card. So thank you very much for joining me today.